UK LLC helper scripts loads your project's data from the database into the program of your choice. The Stata helper is provided in the S drive at readall/statahelp as a batch file called runstatahelper.bat. To run it, you'll first need to create a Python environment for your account. Please refer to the Setting Up a Python Environment video if you have not already. To run the Stata helper, just double-click the runstatahelper.bat file. The program will ask you for your project number. Enter the 4-digit number. For our demonstration, project LLC 0000, we enter 4 zeros. The script will inform you when a dataset has been retrieved. The helper will automatically assign value labels and variable labels to your data where available as part of this process. Be advised this can take up to an hour to complete if you have a large number of views in your project. You will find your data as .dta files in the S drive under your project directory /data/statawlabs. These files can then be opened in Stata.